Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Happy October. In cryptocurrency it's known as Uptober, and we are finally in quarter 4 of 2023. And me personally, guys, I love the months of October, November, and December. The last 3 months of the year are always my favorite, not just cryptocurrency related, just personally speaking as well. Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It is a great time. And as we expected, of course, there was a lot of hype coming in. A lot of people were anticipating that October is going to be a great month, and we have started off on a really positive note. But we're going to be discussing none other than Solana right now, because Solana is leaving everyone speechless as we speak. And if you are a follower on my channel, before all the hype factor, before everyone hops on the bandwagon, you guys know I was discussing Solana, that we are about to see a massive move towards the upside, and that has just happened. So if we're looking at Solana on the daily time frame, it's up 12.3%. One of the top gainers in the top 100 coins. And if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame as well, Solana is up a staggering 23.4%. And if we're looking at the markets, guys, the entire market is in green right now. Great thing to see. We haven't really seen this for quite some time. Bullish momentum is definitely here. But let's take a look at Solana. It has gone above Dogecoin and Cardano, and it's currently sitting at that top 8 spot, guys. It's up 12% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 8.4% in Bitcoin comparative, with a market cap of almost $10 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at almost 700 million. So what really is next with the price? What exactly has happened with the price? We will get into that. But as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you watch my previous update, which was just posted 2 days ago, and it says Solana is ready, listen now. And if you really watched this video, I was discussing how things are changing. We are about to see a breakout happening, and as a matter of fact, on October 1st we have seen this happen. But let's take a look at the price a little closer, see what are the next targets that we could be looking at. So exactly what I mentioned in my previous update has happened. We have broken past that $22.63 level of resistance, which I said would be that next target, and that target did break out, and you see the price of Solana go up to $24, retested that support line, and we're back up where we were. And now where you are seeing Solana currently sitting at is some more resistance coming in. You can see this for yourself. Pretty much dates back to August of this year. And if we're able to clear this, guys, next resistance we could be aiming is $25.30. And then after that, you guys know the main target, the main resistance, $26.96. So my eyes right now, with the momentum Solana is seeing right now, especially October 1st, we're in quarter 4. People are excited. Bullish momentum is there for the cryptocurrency market. Ethereum ETF has been approved. So if I were to bring out the measuring tool, in order for us to retest that level of resistance, that's a move of about only 12%. And with this momentum that we're seeing right now within the markets, especially with BTC as well, Bitcoin is back in to the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, guys. Market is looking insane, and I cannot be more excited. Things are literally shaping as we would want them to see. And now the charts are not loading up. Let's give it a refresh live, and hopefully it does load up for us. There we are. So you can see this for yourself. October 1st, we have seen the price of Bitcoin back into the 61.8, and you guys know how I treat this range. This range is considered the safer zone, in my opinion, for the price of Bitcoin, and that's exactly where we're sitting at. So great to see. Not a surprise right now. The month of October, generally speaking, for the entire space is a bullish month. So what a best way to start off the month of October. You couldn't have asked for anything better, in my opinion. If we're looking at BTC dominance is pretty much hanging at the 50% mark, but altcoins are following the Bitcoin momentum right now. If we're looking at altcoins to be specific, we're seeing pretty much everything outpacing Bitcoin as of now. And again, not a surprise to any one of us, because altcoins really didn't have that bullish momentum pretty much the year of 2023. So in my opinion, we're going to continuously see altcoins outpacing Bitcoin unless BTC dominance just shoots up. So this is what it's looking like for BTC. Great things to see over there. But of course, Solana is looking absolutely amazing. So 12% for us to visit this resistance, but this is not where we want the price of Solana to be at. We want to break out of there and retest the July highs. You guys know the price of Solana went up to $32, but you know my main target at that time was that $40 range. My eyes are on that level. I want Solana to touch that $40 range, and that's a move about 60%. Obviously that's going to be one step at a time, but you know, once we're able to retest this resistance, it might see a little bit of a minor rejection, but if the volume is on our side, I think we will break out and retest $32. Might see a little bit of a resistance, of course, and after that, you know, I think we could be seeing this month $40 Solana, and that is going to be a very, very exciting. And all of a sudden, you know, I was reading some comments coming in on crypto Twitter. People were saying all of a sudden people love Solana, and of course I totally agree with that. You know, when things are you know, in the bear zone, you can see no one wants to talk about Solana around here, no one wants to talk about Solana there, no one wants to talk about Solana here, but the people that actually believe in Solana's vision see what Solana really is doing. When you really think about Solana, how fast of a project it is, and how it is really an Ethereum competitor. You know, we've been hearing the word Ethereum competitor for the longest time, especially if you're a crypto OG. You know, Ethereum competitors, quote unquote, been coming in and failing, but we've seen Solana really making moves, and they continue to make moves, and smart money sees that, and people were accumulating when the FTX drop happened. People were accumulating when it was called the security, and people are continuously you know, of course, accumulating. And now more eyes on Solana than ever, because of course right now, if you're looking at the entire market, in the top 10 coins, it's the fastest growing project, up a 13%. I'm not sure if that token OPOS was the catalyst behind this. I said that will bring in more eyes to Solana, because people are going to be like, hey, you know what, Solana is really fast. You know, Solana actually is extremely fast. We're paying so much in fees in Ethereum. So, you know, Solana could be one of the big boys, and that's what's happening right now, in my opinion. And I'm not sure if that was a major contender, but, you know, of course, aside from just that meme coin that launched, there's so much more to it. And if you really know and follow the project, you know they're making some massive moves across the crypto space. So great to see the Solana community win. I think this is just the absolute beginning, especially for the people that have been accumulating. But talking about accumulating, we're still in the accumulation zone. You know, once we pop out of this $26.83, that's where we're no longer in the accumulation zone, in my opinion. And of course, then, you know, we're looking at some targets, of course, at that $38. But the real, you know, party, if you want to say the word party, like the fun, doesn't really begin until we get into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at $58.25. We have not seen the price of Solana at that range since May of last year. So that is the overall take on ADA as of, wow, where did ADA come from? I mean, Solana. That is the overall take on Solana. Not surprised at all if you guys watch my other update. You know, I've been speaking about this, and of course my other updates as well. I am expecting that Solana will shock a lot of people this bull cycle, and you know, this is just a great example to see why I think that's the case. But of course, only time is going to tell. Always diversify your portfolio, always do your own due diligence, always take profits on your way up. That is something I would like to tell you guys. And if you have not already followed me on Twitter, what are you waiting for? Link in the description box below. Go follow me on Twitter. But with that said, we'll see you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX, and peace out.